Hello all, just doing a real quick video on a box of 500 choice 7 3 by 4 of an inch neon beverage stirrers / sip straws. And there's a bunch of different colors here. I have basically 4 of each of the colored straws that they have. They have orange, pink, yellow, and green. And I have 4 of them inside of my hand. Now the reason I'm doing this video is I want to be able to show you that not only can these be able to use just for drinking, for coffee or for drinks, you can also be able to use it for game time, which is kind of cool. I have 4 of each of the colors that I just told you, and I like to play a game called Pickup Sticks. So what I'm doing is kind of rotating my hand around. Yeah, not as good doing it, but I should have rotated my hand more, but this is fine. But the cool thing is, if you're playing with the little ones, you can be able to have them pick a color, and just the game of pickup straws, you can always look that up. But it's really kind of cool, it's neat, and it's inexpensive, and it's just a different way of using the straws. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching.